Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the concrete steps required to resolve that annoying network issue plaguing your application. This connectivity glitch usually surfaces when your local configuration files lose sync or your security software aggressively blocks the background processes. To resolve, completely shut down the application along with your core gaming client, ensuring neither is lingering silently in your system tray. Next, open up your File Explorer, head over to the installation directory, locate the specific data folder, and wipe out the temporary cache files to force a fresh handshake. If the issue persists, you need to open up your Windows Defender firewall settings, navigate to the Allowed Apps menu, and manually verify that both executables are granted full public and private network access. Finally, perform a quick reset on your internet router and relaunch the application with administrative privileges to permanently restore your online access. Subscribe the channel for more videos.